Okay, so Rex, move. Can you grab it on this end so that I can measure, please? I mean, I don't really need you to, but I prefer it. And today's guest star, George.
Rex.
11 feet, please.
Shave the beard.
You did shave your beard. 11 feet, babe.
Oh, I'm a little out.
You're a little off today, yeah. 11 feet, where are we at?
Right here.
Right there? Okay. Bring her in. Don't move your finger.
You said it's exactly 11 feet.
Exactly 11 feet inside the box with space on either side. 11 feet. We're going 11 feet, hun.
So this is 11 feet.
Right there.
In the middle.
Perfect. That's what I need.
I say we cut here.
Really? Why? Do you want to
Why would
measure the box
why
so
would
you could see?
Why would you cut there?
Because this is sitting at 11 feet, sits it perfectly in the box. A little more, and it'll be a little too much. Do you want to go measure so you can see? Let's go.
No, it's
No,
fine.
no, let's go. Come on.
Oh, that is in the box.
Within the box itself. Do you want to go check?
So then we gotta go less in order for it to fit.
Did we lose our spot here?
Yeah. But you can't cut it in the middle. That's my point. It's
No.
either cut it on this end, or cut it on the long end, or on the short end.
Okay, come on.
So
Buddy.
fine.
It's always a war going on around here, man. Come on. Here. Grab it on that side. Inside, 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 where it's going to be.
Before you measure it,
Okay. So 10. All right, friends. So my lovely assistant, George, has handed me my bolt cutters. What's going on?
You need adjustment. You're not closing all the way. It might work.
It'll work. It'll be fine.
See? They just got a little gap.
It'll be
It
fine.
needs to be adjusted.
So we're going to cut this right here. Okay, so it's this one?
No.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Do one at a time. I'll help you so you can do this safely. That'll work.
Make it work. So I'm using a file now that I have used the bolt cutters. He could have been great and like done this really fast with an angle grinder and we would have been done already, but he's indulging me because I don't like to use the angle grinder. I'm doing it all by hand. Move in one direction. Don't do this.
Let me know how that felt.
I hit my finger.
You want gloves?
No, I hate
Got your
gloves.
finger again, didn't you?
I did.
Always away from me.
Away from you.
Let me see.
Not really.
It's gonna take
It's gonna take forever. Get the angle grinder.
Oh, okay.
So how quickly I conceded? Yeah. All right. You're doing it.
Move. It's taking the same amount of time.
No. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It was that easy. Even I could do it all by myself with no help whatsoever. Okay.
We're gonna bring the panel here.
Yeah, the panel's gonna go on
So
this side.
You want to learn how to put these on.
Right. I've never done that.
Right.
Okay.
Panels go on this side.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And once you put the panel in place, this part goes first.
Okay.
Clip it onto the panel.
Uh-huh.
Comes over this way. Right. And you take this.
Uh-huh.
Go like this in here. Right. And then this goes under the panel. And then all you got to do is twist it this way once, and that's it.
What?
Okay. You need vision.
I'm a visual learner. Okay, go. Wait.
Drop them on the plants now.
Better not. I don't know how far up this is gonna go.
Is that a good stem size for you at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Hold it there.
okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good.
No, my gosh. What are you doing?
Hold it there. Hold on, I'm gonna get a third person.
A third person? My plant! No! It's okay. What are you doing?
Getting a third person.
Oh, this guy. I was just looking to see what you meant. I don't do the hold on thing very well. You should know that.
What?
I'm not a hold on kind of person.
I hope that makes it.
It's gonna.
But what are you doing? Go over there.
Oh, you're not explaining things properly, man.
Nothing changed.
Everything
Stay on
changed.
that side.
Everything changed. You crushed the plant. Okay, ready? It's getting stuck in the middle.
Yeah, I know where it's getting stuck.
Up here? Like that? Is that what I'm doing? I don't know what we're doing. Oh.
In here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And then you pull it around.
Around, right?
Uh-huh.
Supposed to be on the other side. Then you pull it around, right?
Uh-huh.
Like that. And then it's a little long, but it goes. Yeah.
So for as long as we had George helping out, we were able to get the panels in. I've never put hog panels up, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm holding this pineapple top. Put that right there. I have this empty pot, and we're just gonna dig a little hole in there, set her in there, and let her do her thing. That's gonna grow. Check that out. That's it. That's really all it takes. You can do the cup thing with water and set it up, but honestly, a lot of times if you forget about that, it will rot on you. So I'll just put her in the ground. She's good to go. It was a delicious pineapple. So I know it's gonna be a good one. So just real fast, I learned how to put these in today. I had never done that before, so that was exciting, right? So we got all of this in place. And now as the tomatoes grow, we'll be able to weave them into this hog panel, and the trellis is taken care of. These guys have been thinned out. They're popping up. Those are beets. And now I've got this ready to go. So I wanted originally to put it up with, I wanted originally to put it up with T-posts holding it up and keeping it sideways, but this box is small. It's smaller than the other one. I don't want to limit my space, and like that, it'll add a little bit of strength, especially since we have to update these boxes soon. So all I did was grab them at the top with zip ties, and then I put them in here, and I'm holding them with these stakes that I love to use so much at the bottom to just give it a little bit of strength. And that's it. That's all we've done for today. Tomorrow in the morning, I'll have the time to get those cucumber plants in here, and then hopefully the seeds that we started will pop up and do well. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I appreciate it. And thank you to George for helping me out. He was the best. He laughs at me all the time. We're gonna see. We're in a holding pattern until all these amazing trees start giving their stuff. In the meantime, I love watching them grow. It's the best part. Everything's doing well. I am just every day planting something new, starting new seeds, and getting the ball rolling like that so that we can harvest a lot this year. Thank you, friends, for being a part of it. I appreciate you every single day. Believe me, I do. Every time I look at how many subscribers I have, I'm like, what? I don't know that many people. So that's exciting for me. Have a great rest of your day. Take care of yourselves and each other. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you've been here a while, hit that like button. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you. You guys take care. Bye-bye. By the way, look at my radishes. They're so cool. The big radishes. Yep.